so I decided I wasn't going to do the Museum of History, but I did the Museum of Medieval Weaponry, which was pretty cool. Actually found out, I thought, and this is my bad, that he was actually born in Sighisoara, but actually he lived here after being crowned a member of the Order of the Dragon, or the Dracul. So my bad. See, you learn something new every day. So he lived here and he worked from here as he tried to overthrow somebody in Valencia to take the reins over there. And I'll check some of this stuff out and I'll let you know which story is true. I swear I was told this is where he was born, but whatever. Now we're getting ready to go into the Museum of Torture, which is, don't judge me, one of the things I'm really into because I write horror. I like to see that kind of stuff. It really interests me, the mind and everything of the people that were actually doing the torture and creating these implements. Like, there had to be something in there wrong. So yeah, let's do this. It's right here. Alright guys, so it was for lei, which is like $1, but it really wasn't worth even that. I was hoping to at least see an Iron Maiden, maybe like a guillotine, some sort of torture implements that would be kind of cool, but had a few pictures, had a few ideas of what torture was like, had some printouts of excerpts of books. So it was okay, but I honestly, if you guys are into the study of that, or for writing a book, you're looking for that information, I don't think it's really worth it. I saw more at Bran Castle with the Iron Maiden and the chair with all the nails than I did here. Alright guys, we're gonna continue on and move on. I think I just said that. I'm repeating myself. That's never a good thing. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Oh, by the way, I actually ran into a bunch of kids like doing some plays out here, which is kind of cool. They're just out in the middle of the street just doing plays. Cool? Definitely check it out. Path thing. I'm gonna go take it and see where it leads me to, see what it's all about. I think, well, it looks like some stairs up to the Citadel area and perhaps a little walkway around it. I'll show you. So I think I'm gonna skip it because yesterday I did my little tour around the Citadel. I do think they are the stairs I probably should have came up on my first day when I was trying to find where I was going, but you know, lessons learned. Let's move on to this.